criminal summoning with regard to monitoring me in the venue where the fake sun arrived later than it did yesterday, remained over me in Ontario. The psychopaths that are under the corrupt leadership of Adam Tuckerman are using the doors with regard to stalking with amplified noise. This is ongoing harassment while they're stalking with amplified audible activity under the fake sun. And this is that P.O.C. This is the fake sun. This is where it is in the morning down this staircase at 10 o'clock, and the fake sun is over this same roof. This is the fake sun in the same position. This is the significance of what are the mentally ill that are in surveillance, engaging in surveillance under the guise of maintaining fire departments and police departments and ambulance services in the cities that are gang stalking. And this is the purpose of the city library that's engaging in surveillance in concert with the people of the state. And it is severely mentally ill behavior. It's also very annoying where the mentally ill are stalking you, okay? And that's what they're doing. They're engaging in stalking with noise. They're pacing in and out of bathrooms, keeping my vagina under surveillance, and doing so while they are monitoring the evidence, prosecuting them. And this is impunity while a demon right in your face is engaged in the P.O.C. And that's what's monitoring my vagina as well. And I'm going to prosecute for that. Okay? The disgusting pattern of conduct that the mentally ill engage in. And this is an entity that's engaging in this with regard to crossing path in what is engineered light at what is 5 o'clock. It's 5:09 p.m. The impunity of the domestic terrorists, who are the people of the state, who are obsessively and engaging in the dedicated act of surveilling and furtherance of murder, they will be subject to martial law, okay? This is the P.O.C. There is no natural environment that includes the sun being over the roof of this building, like I documented yesterday morning at 9:53 a.m., and it being over this same building at what is 9:53 a.m. and it is 5:09 p.m. This is the same building. This is not in Los Angeles. This is not in Florida. It did not go anywhere while even it arrived later than it did yesterday. But you are looking at the evidence, and that stalker goes into the bathroom where surveillance is underway. Okay, that's the P.O.C., and that is the entity engaging in mentally ill behavior. Those that are working for fire departments, this is the stalker. As I get up, crossing path communication device, you see the breasts that are bouncing up and down while he's gang stalking under the fake sun? That's a mentally ill person. And they're inside of the building of the library. These are the employees that are obsessively monitoring. All they're doing is slamming doors every time I engage in movement, every time I engage in what is publishing a video. And this is the entity that's going to be prosecuted for what is psychological torture, harassment, because of the mentally ill that are monitoring. This is P.O.C. The employees of the Open Public Library are going to prison. They're providing what is a systematic means of surveillance with the demons that just come in to engage in gang stalking. This is P.O.C. It is currently 5:10 p.m. This is referred to as impossible light activity, the engineer light, where surveillance is underway, no matter what the activity appears as. That's why it's there, and the entity is going to be federally prosecuted for it. This is P.O.C.